0-degree day, boys. But we're out here plumbing away at a nice, expensive job that we have going on here, so we have to be sneaky, we have to be very proficient and careful. Most people would be scared to do that. Most people would be like, ah, my fingers, dude, they're way too close. That looks dangerous. But no.
Surgical
skill.
precision.
Oh, 18 minutes so far. Not bad, not bad. Clamp, ball valve with drain on it. What else? That's it? Uh-oh.
Oh, that door's open.
Door's open.
I don't know which one. Might be the side one.
It is. Ball valve with drain, clamps.
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled around, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative, I don't wanna get...
And we are now in the basement. Gotta go through the hole. Yeah. You going through the hole? You going to Narnia? I got through. I could have dolphin dived like it was like Black Ops Zombies. You know, it used to go off and then you down yourself if you dolphin dive off something. It's like, ah. I need my ballistic knives. He domes himself on the light again.
Yeah, dome myself on the light. Yeah, you already know.
But so yeah, I just gotta wrap this up. This will just be so that the customer can drain down their garage faucet. Make sure there's no water trapped in their lines.
Yep.
Good winterization technique. Most plumbers don't even go through the trouble of doing stuff like this, but see, we're better than most. Not your average.
We're your host with the most.
I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show 'em what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let 'em win. I'll take a stab, I wanna chase a bag. I wanna weigh, I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch. No